Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display section. Following that, tap on the gray sweater next to Adaptive Brightness feature. As you can see, auto brightness is now on. If you wish to switch it off, click on the same sweater again. You can also go into Tab menu and tap on those three dots located on the brightness slider. Then decide if you wish to switch on or off adaptive brightness. And to save your changes, click on Done at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!